Want to track your phone if it's lost? Here's how to add it to Google Find My Device. On the device you want to add, swipe up and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Google. Here, make sure you're signed in with the Google account you want to use for tracking. Whatever account is signed in here is the one that will appear on Find My Device. Tap All Services on the right side. Scroll down until you find My Device or Find Hub. Inside Find Hub, turn on Allow Devices to be located. This gives Google permission to locate your phone if it's lost or stolen. Your device is now added. Whenever you need to track it, open the Find My Device app on another device. Or visit google.com/android/find and sign in with the same Google account. You'll be able to see the phone's location, play sound, lock it, or erase it, and that's it. For more tips and tricks, subscribe.